Hi, I'm Emily Blumberg, and I'm the chair of the upcoming World Transplant Congress taking place this August in San Francisco. I'm reaching out now to personally invite you to attend this amazing meeting. I understand the time and resources it takes to attend a conference, and that's without all of the extra noise going on now. But I still want to express, especially to our international transplant community, that we appreciate this extra effort. Now, more than ever, it's important for our transplant community to gather together to share cutting-edge science and learn from each other. I'm excited about our program, and this Congress will definitely be worth your time. Don't just take my word for it, though. Here are some of our international committee members to share their thoughts with you as well.
Hi, I'm Tim Pruitt. I'm the chair of the program committee. On behalf of our hardworking members, I'd like to invite all of you to come to the World Transplant Congress in San Francisco. The program promises to be important for all of us around the globe, and we look forward to your participation and your active voice as we pursue this meeting. Look forward to seeing you in San Francisco.